Hey, Mike here. Demoed the bathroom, and I wanted to just give you a quick look in what's behind a shower base, and also how to remove a shower base if you're doing it yourself. The first thing you want to do is you want to go around the edge, and you want to look for any screws or any nails that are attaching a flange to the wall. Okay, so they have all been pulled out, so this is free from the wall. Okay. Then what you want to do. This one has been set in concrete. There's actually solid underneath. So what you want to do is just go around with a hammer and just hit it and break up the bond between this fiberglass and the concrete. Make a little bit of a gap. I mean, it's going to be just a tiny bit, but you're just trying to crush it. All right? Then the third thing to do is you need to remove the drain from the shower pan. Okay? So if you have a tool, you can actually unscrew this whole assembly and you'll be good. But most of the time these are rotted and you can't do that. So the easiest way to do it is you just get a Dremel, right, with the cutting blade, and I'll put a video of me doing it, and you just put this inside the drain and you just cut. Okay, so if we look inside here, you could see that now, I'm not sure if you could see it in there, but that drain is disconnected. Okay, now all you got to do is pry this thing up with some brute force.